not you win this thing, you've got to decide how you're going to walk out of here when it's all said and done. Because the game is going to go on. And there's only one rule you're going to need to know about. There are no second chances. There's only this moment and the next moment. Every one of those moments is a test that you get to take one time, and only one time. So if you see an opening, tear into it. If you get a shot at victory, make damn sure you take it. Seize that moment.
Whoa.
That moment is a crossroads where everything you want will collide with everything standing in your way. You've got momentum at your back. Fear and doubt are thundering like a freight train straight at you. And all you got, the only difference between making history and being history, the only thing you can count on in any given moment is you. It's you versus them. You versus no. You versus can't. You versus next year, last year, statistics, excuses. It's you versus history. You versus the odds.
Did I call that or what? I was like, I think I hit a duck back there, dude. Oh! I think it's a fish I missed though, same spot. Birdfish. Birdfish. Look at this. Is it a fish? What is it? It's a bass. Oh yeah, buddy. You know, super glue in the front. Oh! It's helping it a lot. It really helps it, man, I'm telling you. This thing didn't get fouled at all, like 4 casts in a row. All right, see that? What I was talking about? The improvement still doesn't affect the catching. Birdfish.